Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen Golf 1.5TSI MHEV 130B horsepower style with fresh and sound and panoramic sunroof. With sleek black exterior, this 1.5-liter engine beauty has only 35,233 kilometers. Packed with tech like Bluetooth, satellite navigation, and wireless charging, it's both luxurious and practical. Safety features like multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking ensure peace of mind on the road. Plus, the chrome package and spoiler add a touch of style. This vehicle has undergone a full health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us now or visit blackwatermotors.ie to learn more about this impressive ride.